Question number 13. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle this is a quadrilateral that is circumscribing this circle. Name of the quadrilateral is ABCD, and let these points of contact as P, Q, R and S. Now we have to prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral, like in this case AB and CD are opposite sides and BC and AD are the opposite sides. So opposite sides subtend supplementary angle at the center. That means if it is center, so AOB and angle COD. This angle, these angles are supplementary. That means angle AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree. That we have to prove. Angle AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree, or angle BOC plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degree. This is to prove. So what we will do here, first of all, we will join these point of contacts. These will be 90 degree. Now, first of all, let me name these all angles. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Now, we will prove that these two angles are equal. Similarly, these two angles are equal by proving this triangle and this triangle congruent. How can we prove these triangles congruent? First, this is common OA. This length is equal because external tangents from the external point are equal in length, and this is equal radii of the circle. So that is why angle 1 is equals to angle 8 by CPCD. So consider triangle AOS and triangle AOP. AO is equals to AO common, AS is equals to AP, tangents from the same point. And OS is equals to OP, radii. So by SSS congruency, triangle AOS is congruent to triangle AOP, and since these two triangles are congruent, so angle 1 is equals to angle 8 by CPCT. So similarly, these two triangles can be proved congruent, these two triangles and these two triangles. So you can write similarly, angle 2 is equals to angle 3, angle 4 is equals to angle 5, angle 6 is equals to angle 7. Now since this is a complete angle in between, so also angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equals to 360 degree, complete angle. So angle 1 plus angle 8, you can write like this, angle 1 plus angle 8 together plus angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 5, angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. Since these are equal, so I can write 2 times angle 1 plus 2 times angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 5 plus 2 times angle 6 is equals to 360 degree. We can take 2 common. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 360 degree. Now 2 will go that side and divide, and angle 1 plus angle 2, from the figure you can see angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle AOB. Angle AOB plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is angle COD is equals to 180 degree. Hence proof.